Hello, doing a quick review of the Analon cookware set. This is a 9-piece set, and in front of me I only have 6 of the 9 pieces because my daughter just went to college and she wanted the frying pans, so I told her that she can take them and I'm just going to get 2 more. I have had this set for probably 6 years, and before that I had another set, and I gave that to my oldest daughter when she moved out on her own. So I absolutely love this set, and really what you need to know about it is that it lasts forever, and the customer service is amazing. If you have any issues, you can literally send your pieces back and they will replace them if you have any issues. Now, what's awesome about these as well is that they can go from the stovetop to the oven up to 400 degrees and they won't ruin the pans. The handles are also really nice because they are silicone, both on the pots, these are silicones and the handles, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself, or you don't have to grab a pot holder just to be able to turn the pans, or hold the pans. So the inside is like, listen, 6 years. It is like new. They're non-stick and everything like slides off of them. Again, I wish I had the whole set in front of me to show you, but the quality in every single piece is the same. The customer service is amazing. I love that you can stack them. This is the moonstone color. They also have a bronze. So if you are looking for a new pot and pan set, I highly recommend this by Analon.